Hi, this is Ross from TW White & Sons Mazda Weybridge, and today I'm here to show you our 2018 18-plate Mazda CX-5. This vehicle is a 2.2 diesel, 175 PS, all-wheel drive. Specification is the Sport Nav. As you can see with the exterior, it's machine grey, and I'll show you in a minute, but inside it's got the stone leather. I'll now just bring you around the vehicle just to show you the vehicle condition. So this vehicle's got the 19-inch alloys. And they're all in really good condition, as is the bodywork. Previous owner really looked after the vehicle. Just came into us via part exchange. Customer just purchased a new CX-5. As we now come around to the rear of the vehicle, and you can see as we get around here that you've got the rear parking sensors. You've also got the reversing camera. There's also front parking sensors, and as you can see there, the vehicle's all-wheel drive. And you've got the power tailgate. And I'll now just show you the boot size. It's a really good size boot, really deep. You've got good height as well. You can also take the parcel shelf down there, and you've also got these levers at the side so you can individually fold the passenger seats if you wanted to do so. So close it from there, or you can also do it from the key. As we now come around to the other side of the vehicle, and just like the other side, all in excellent condition. No dents, no scratches, all really nice. And like I mentioned just now, you've got the front parking sensor on the vehicle as well. You have also got keyless entry, so by pushing on that, as long as it detects the key in this range, it will open and close it, and you've got the auto folding door mirrors. We'll now go into the vehicle, and like I said, this vehicle has got the stone leather upholstery. So standard it has black leather, but the previous owner changed it to this. Really nice finish this. Works really well with the machine grey to have that light and dark contrast. And all in really good condition. I'll now go to the front of the vehicle. Just show the seats. So again, like in the rear, really good condition. No marks on there. And if we look down here, you've got the electric seat adjustment, and you've also got two presets. So if there's two people driving the vehicle, you can set it for yourself and the other person, and just by pushing that button, it will put your seat position back to where you've set it. And the driver's door is where you've got your electric wing mirror adjustment, the auto folding feature, and the electric windows. You've just got your buttons down here, so the i-stop system, you can turn off your traction control, parking sensors, and you've also got another button there to open and close the power tailgate. As we now step into the vehicle, so you've got automatic wipers, you've got automatic lights. On your steering wheel is where you've got your cruise control and your speed limiter, and on the left hand side of the steering wheel is just where you've got your volume, change track, or your Bluetooth controls. And we'll now start the vehicle up. So you might be able to see it, but you should be able to see it just there. So this vehicle has got the heads-up display as well. It's a really good feature there. And currently this vehicle has carried out 20,270 miles. As we now come into the middle, so you've got your armrest in the middle here, where you've also got some charging points in there. You've got cup holders down there. You've got your electric handbrake here, and you've also got the controls for the infotainment system. So you can use the touchscreen whilst you're stationary, or you can control it all by here, and you can set up sort of some presets and your favourites. So just nice and easy to navigate for everything through there. Down here is where you've got your dual climate control, so you can have one side hotter or colder than the other if you wanted to do so. And then you've also got your heated rear windscreen and wing mirrors from that one button there. If you go a little bit higher up, you've got a 3-stage heating for the heated seats. That's for both front seats, you've got that. And then on the left hand side, you can also see here, you've got the heated steering wheel. Now if we go to the infotainment system, so on the left, you just got your applications. So fuel economy monitor, vehicle status monitor. Entertainment, this is where you've got FM, AM, DAB, Bluetooth. If you've used the USBs or the CD player, then you can select those as well. Communication is where you'll program your phone for the Bluetooth, so you can use it for audio, or you can also make and receive phone calls through there, and you can use the voice commands here as well to make outgoing calls, so it's nice and easy through there. Then you've got the vehicle's built-in navigation system, so really nice system there, nice and clear, and really easy to navigate through. And then lastly, you've got the vehicle settings. So the AD display is that active driving display, or the heads-up display, so you can change the height of it. So depending on where your seat is positioned, you can adjust it to make it so it's perfect for you. Safety features, so the vehicle's got smart city brake support, traffic sign recognition, which will come up in your heads-up display, and your parking sensors. Sound, so this vehicle has got the Bose Sound System, so really good system, and you can tailor the sound system exactly how you want, get it perfect for your listening. And then just a few other controls through here where you can just get the vehicle set up to exactly how you want. As previously mentioned, the vehicle has got the front and rear parking sensors, and it's got the rear camera, which you can see there, so really good clear picture through there. And you'll also get the audible beeps for the parking sensors come on as well. So there we are. Oh no, hang on, one more bit. So this vehicle has also got the sunroof, so just controlled from the device, the button in the middle, so you can just tilt it by pushing it up like so, or you can open up all the way, which is nice on a nice sunny day like today, to obviously let a little bit of light in and also let some air in. And of course, if you don't want that light coming through, you can just close it from there. So there we are, that is everything. I'll now just finish up outside the vehicle. So there we have it. This is our Mazda CX-5. If you have any questions about the vehicle, or if you're interested in arranging an appointment to come and view and test drive the vehicle, please do give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.